We gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me in, that's all.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review from Unice hair. Without further ado, let's get to it. The hair is from Unice and this is their packaging.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in.
The hair came with some goodies, some lashes, an headband, and stocking caps.
You came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better.
This is an ordinary cap construction with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, and two combs on either side. And this unit is a 13x4 lace frontal. I'll go right ahead and put the unit on so you guys can see how the hair is looking.
From my place, can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it.
This is a hair-to-hair lace, which is 13x4 lace frontal.
Let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style.
I'll turn around so you guys can see how the back of the wig is looking.
Good when you came my way. You came it laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down, celebrate this.
I'll remove the lace before I lay the wig.
I gotta let you know, 'cause you can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere you know.
I'll be using the got-to-be glue and the bedded spray to lay the wig. Now I'll go in with my dryer to make sure the glue is tacky before I lay the lace.
We saving our money, and we be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Party on 22. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere. I can take it anywhere. So call me God. They know you and me now. My family. We about to go up. We about to go one. Know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere. So call me God. They know you and me. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the
I'll go in and tie the hair to make sure this lace is well laid.
house. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your
Now I'll lay some baby hairs.
favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now, you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have.
I need my baby hairs to be well laid, guys, so I'm going in and tying the lace again. I'm adding the Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace.
About you like your pretty smile. I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go,
This parting space needs a little finessing, so I'll go in and widen the parting space. You can use your hands or your tweezer, whichever is comfy for you.
'cause baby, I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. 'Cause baby, I love is natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have
I am adding some concealer to the parting space.
is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl.
I am going in with a hot comb to flatten the top of the hair and the hairline.
Wild in your feet, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now, you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way.
I'll go in with some water to spray the hair. I am adding the Marc Anthony Hydrating Curl Cream, which eliminates frizz, tangles, and define the curls and give the hair extra hold and additional sheen.
Pretty in the world is your smiling face. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you.
Now I am going in with the wax stick. If you're looking for a ombre color bob unit for the summer, guys, you need to go and check the description box and check Unice hair out for this gorgeous unit. The only con is it sheds a little, guys, but that doesn't take away from this baddie. It is gorgeous. It is big and friendly. It came pre-plucked. This is 14 inches, guys, and you don't have a lot of work to do with this unit. You don't have to pluck the hair or do all of that stuff, guys. It is already done for you. For all my content creators, guys, make sure all your content and all social media platforms are backed up on an external hard drive. You will thank me later. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, guys. Bye.